In today's video, I'll teach you how to buy plans on Consumer Cellular. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in consumercellular.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Consumer Cellular. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to buy the plans, what you have to do is click on this option plans that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see all the available plans of Consumer Cellular. You can see various options like for the minimalist, for the sometimes on, for the scroller, etc. So what you have to do is simply click on the plan of your choice. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see the details of the plan over here. You'll be able to see the line and data. So if you want to buy it, click on this option add to cart that you can see on the screen. Now this particular plan will be added to the cart. Now next step is to simply select the device. So for that, what you have to do is simply click on this option card that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. After you do that, you'll be led to the cart interface. You can see the cart summary over here. So in order to buy this plan, first of all, you have to select the phones and devices. So simply click on this option shop phones and devices that you can see on the screen, or you can also click on this option shop phones and devices that you can see at the bottom. Now after you do that, you'll be able to shop for the phones and devices. You'll be able to see all the phones and devices available over here. Simply click on the device of your choice. You can also bring your own device if you want. Now after you do that, what you have to do is select the color, size and choose a device type. Now scroll down. Now click on this option step 1 of 2 that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll have to answer a few questions. You can add a protection plan if you want. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, you can also select if you want to keep your existing phone number or not. You can also add the roadside assistance if you want. Likewise, you'll be able to add the accessories. Now after you do that, scroll down and click on this option add to cart that you can see on the screen. Now this device will also be added to the cart. Now again, you'll be able to view the cart. You can see over here that particular phone and device has been added. You'll be able to see the details in the cart over here. You'll be able to see the due today amount and due monthly amount. You can review the order if you want, but before that, if you have the promo code, you can enter it over here. After you enter the promo code, click on this option review order. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the checkout interface of Consumer Cellular. You'll have to fill in these details that you can see on the screen. So first of all, enter the account holder information over here. Enter the first name. Likewise, enter the last name. After you do that, enter the email address over here. Now confirm the email address. Now enter the home phone number. Now after you do that, scroll down. Now you'll have to enter the account setup information. Enter the 4-digit security PIN over here. Likewise, confirm the 4-digit security PIN. After you do that, enter the credit card information over here. First of all, enter the date of birth, enter the month, enter the day, likewise enter the year. Now enter the last 4 digits of SSN. Now after you do that, scroll down. You'll also have to select the shipping information. You can see the shipping method over here. Select the method of your choice. Now also enter the billing information over here. Enter the street address. Likewise, you can enter the apartment, unit or suite if you want. Likewise, enter the city. Now select the state. After you do that, enter the zip code over here. Now you'll have to enter the billing preference. You'll be able to see the question over here. How would you like to pay your monthly bill? Click on the option of your choice. Likewise, answer other questions as well. Now enter the payment information over here. Enter the card number, expiration month, expiration year and security code over here. Now after you enter all these informations, click on this option place order that you can see on the screen. After you do that, your order will be placed and you'll successfully buy the plan. So like this, you'll be able to buy the plan in Consumer Cellular. So that is how you buy plan in Consumer Cellular. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.